D with honors. Bulawin Eliza May O with honors. Bulawin Angel with honors. Castillon Eliza May B. Del Rosario Princess Dimple with honors. Junco Proserpina C with honors. Duhay Lungsod Sarah D with honors. Gera Glory May E with high honors. Iyo Alia C. Lori Claire May M with honors. Lumayaga Marichel R. Makasandag Jelica L with high honors. Maghinay May Tedroshan B with high honors. Maglipang Cheryl May M. Menyales Mira P. Morales Christy B. Palier Jaira May Joy A with high honors. Sadernas Hazel May O with honors. Sonaho Miles C. Sumalpong Jibea Fe H with honors. Somili Zil Andrix O with honors. Yapo Lenzi D with high honors. Congratulations to all completers. This is indeed a proud moment for all of you. Now let us hear an inspiring moving up speech from one of our outstanding students, Glory May E. Guerra, with high honors.
To our school's division superintendent, Dr. Rinaldo E. Manuel Jr., Section 5, to Ma'am Edna Alona B. Duay Lungsod, our public schools district supervisor, To our school principal 3 of Sibugon Integrated School, Ma'am Ruth Biorong. To Ma'am Crystal Hayes of Y. Malarenes, our head teacher 1. Teachers and staff, guests, parents, my fellow competitors. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. To be honest, I never imagined this moment coming. Standing here, delivering this speech, being recognized as an achiever and all. I only ever dreamed of graduating. As people often said, that transferring schools was hard, complicated. Every day was a struggle. But isn't that a part of every student's journey? To make mistakes, to feel tired, to feel unmotivated. Looking back, I realized that those hard days weren't just obstacles. They were also building blocks of what I am today. These achievements of us didn't come easy. They were built to struggles, sacrifices, and moments of doubt. But now, we finally see those hard works pay off. As we celebrate today, let's take a moment to breathe. The future will bring its own set of challenges. Yes, even more projects, more exams. But today, let's focus on this moment, because this is once in a lifetime. After today, things will change, and we won't even notice it happening. But for now, let's focus on this moment, because this is once in a lifetime. I'm grateful for my friends who swam across my sea, who stood by me even when I felt like I was sinking. And as a song engraved in my soul says, whenever there's hope, there's a trial. Sure enough, challenges never stopped coming, but neither did the support of the people who love me the most. First and foremost, thank you, God, for being my strength and light. To my parents, thank you for always holding me to every journey, for being my anchor in the toughest storms. And to everyone who played a part in this journey, our teachers, mentors, and classmates, thank you. This achievement is not just mine, it is ours. As we step into senior high, may we remember that success isn't about running the fastest. It's about moving forward no matter the pace. Because in the end, what truly matters is that we never stop. And to end this speech, let me share to you this phrase in French that resonates with me and my journey. This phrase, c'est la vie, which means that's life. We can't do anything about it. Like when we make mistakes, c'est la vie. Or when challenges slow us down. It serves as a reminder that even when things don't go our way, we keep going anyway. Because, c'est la vie. Thank you for listening, and congratulations to all of us computers. Once again, good morning.
Thank you so much, Glory May, for that heartfelt and motivating message. So this time, let us listen and enjoy a performance of our completers as they render their moving up song entitled Long Live.